My tears falling down as the raindrops. Whenever I keep thinking of you, I always tell myself, whatever I do, I can't and will never have you. But still, I can't hide my feelings and smile when you're around. When people asking me about my dream, I just remain silent. Yet, I said to myself, I wish to have you once. It's enough to make me happy till my last breath. I love you. I just love you without a reason. Let me give this feeling towards you. It is the only thing to keep me happy. You're the only person that can make me smile whenever I'm sad or happy. I just can't help myself from keep falling to you. But if loving you is wrong, then it wouldn't be right anymore. I know it's wrong. I know I can't have this feeling towards a person who's owned by other. But this is love. I don't have the power to prevent it. It comes naturally, but it doesn't go easily. I just want to love. If it is wrong, still I want to keep myself right. I know it's wrong to have feelings for you, but I tried to be over you. Tried not to care. Tried not to love you. But no matter what I do, I always end up saying, I miss you. I miss you. Sometimes there are things in our life that aren't meant to stay. Sometimes change may not be what we want. And sometimes saying goodbye is the hardest thing you think you'll ever have to do. And most of all, there's someone that you really love so much that it hurts to leave it, but you must. I'm just thinking of what might happen. Maybe tomorrow, someday, in the time what we both don't expect. We'll just meet, and maybe, just maybe, it would be our time again. It's hard to love someone who can never be yours. Time will give you chances to talk, chances to be together, chances to share. See how it hurts. You only have chances, just chances. Sacrifice is the only language of love. And smiling is the most painful lie, but the most effective way to hide all the pain that you feel. I really love you. But I want you to know that what I gave to you is the best of what I have. And what I am to you is the best that I could be.